Good day everyone! Gawa tayo ng oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Combined flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and oatmeal. Then set aside. Cream, butter, and sugar. Then add yung egg one at a time. Then add vanilla. And the flour mixture. Mix until well combined. Stir in chocolate chips. Reserve some for toppings. Gumamit ako ng 2 cup ng Hershey's and half cup ng Beryl's chocolate chips. Loaded ng chocolate yung recipe na to. So kung hindi ka fan ng sweet and too chocolatey cookies, i-reduce mo yung chocolate chips mo to 1.5 cup. Pwede ka rin magdagdag ng 1 cup of walnut. Scoop and gently roll your cookie dough into a ball. Ito yung excess chocolate chips ko from 2.5 cup. Adjust na lang kayo kung gusto nyo pang magdagdag or magbawas pa. I-chill yung cookie dough for at least 1 hour or i-freeze siya for at least 30 minutes para ma-prevent din siya sa pag-spread masyado kapag binake na. Bake for 15 to 17 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit or until done. Para ma-check kung okay na siya, dapat yung edge niya is firm and light golden brown. Tapos yung gitna is hindi hilaw pero hindi pa rin siya nakaset. Patuloy na naluluto ang cookies habang pinapalamig siya. So, dapat ilabas siya sa oven bago pa siya mag-set. Pero, depende din yan sa personal preference nyo. If gusto nyo siyang i-bake longer, it's up to you. Basta, wag siyang i-overbake unless gusto nyo ng dry na cookies.